In this guide, I'm going to show you how you can recover your TikTok account. Before we do get into this guide, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help the channel and it lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. And if at any point throughout this guide you had any questions, just ask them down in the comment section below and we could help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. Now, this actually can't be done on TikTok itself. Instead, you need to actually open up a web browser of your choice and search for TikTok account recovery. Once you're on this page, hit log in for TikTok. It should be the very first information. And essentially what you need to do is just scroll down until you see the option for still need help. Select still need help, and essentially what you need to do is thumbs down the thanks for your feedback section, hit need more help again, and then hit continue with email. And essentially you need to go ahead and do account access and security, and then also go ahead and put down on here other. From here, try and type in as much information as possible, like what your TikTok, at or username used to be, a contact email for you, and as much information in this additional details as possible. You're going to want to say stuff like your email, your sign up details, and the devices that you use. And you can also even attach screenshots just like this, and then tick off these two little boxes right here and hit submit. Once you do that, they're going to reach out to you via email. And essentially from this point on, you need to communicate with them through that email in order to get your account back. The process really is as simple as that. If you guys had any questions, ask them down in the comment section below and we can help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. Before we do leave this guide, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help us out. Let's know that you want more content. Have a great rest of your day though. Peace.